IP is breaking out, and I'm here to give you the alpha of what to do from here on IP coin. If you're riding this baby like we are in the membership, or if you missed it, what are the steps you need to do? And as always, this is not financial advice, it's pure education and entertainment. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Take a look at this baby. This is from our membership. We had IP long trade. This is the trade setup. From a picture, you can see that it's from September 7th. So 2 days ago, this was the breakout above 8.6. You can see it's written over here, actually 8.62. Buy it, 7.5 to 12.5% of your position, take profits, and so on and so forth. So we have been trading this successfully, all right, in our membership. And of course, you need to know what happened. This is the outcome, and it has only started. So 862 is here. This was the breakout, and you can see that the move we had since is already 28% and counting. And counting. Okay, so one of the best trades so far that we are having, although we have multiple trades that are actually moving up higher right now. All our trades, well, 90% of the trades that we're taking in the past few days are in the money, and some of them are way in the money. Okay, look, IP, very easy to understand. This is a new coin. Okay, you can see the inception was back here in February. So this was inception. You can see this was 13th of February, and since then it's kind of fluffy, and then it created somewhat of a horizontal resistance here, which was broken. So this line was broken, and it was a trade that I actually missed. This could have been a good early entry on this. This was a good breakout. Happens. However, the lord of the market was very kind to us and created this ascending triangle, ascending pennant with a horizontal resistance, and bam, it broke out one day, then had a 1 day pause, which is an edge that I talk about in the membership. By the way, you can scan the QR code. I invite you to come join the membership if you want to. If you want to trade IP with us or all the other coins that we have been trading very successfully, join. You can scan the QR code, okay? And then bam, this is today. Now, we already took a little bit of profits just to make sure, okay, that we are financing the risk, because of course we had a stop loss below the low of the day. So the financing of the risk made that even if we go all the way back down, then we won't incur any losses, because this is crypto. Anything can happen. I call these craptos. I don't even call them, a lot of people call them shit coins, and that's nice. But, I have my own thing. I call them craptos. So if you are riding this baby, you should have taken a little bit of profit at a 20-30% to finance the risk. Again, financing the risk just means that you are, selling into strength. So even if it falls back down and you're stopped out at a, break even or a bit of profit. Okay. So that's what you should be doing if you are in this baby, as we're doing. Now, if you have missed this, remember, this is not an area to get in, okay? Yes, it can go higher, and I expect it to go higher, but this is already extended. And if you take this tactic of buying extended coins over and over again, you will be loser. You're losing or a loser, okay? Why? Because yes, it can work here and there, but over time, you will be a big loser. So what you need to do actually is wait for a next pivot like this, something that maybe you do like this, and then you have a continuation trade that will happen in the future. That is the best MO for you from here on. Okay, in our channel, in our membership, we do not chase coins. Okay, we do not chase extended moves. Okay, we are precise in our entries, and as you saw, this was precision trading. 8.62 entry, bam, it exploded, 30% in profit in just a couple of days. And you've seen this here in the membership first. If you want to join, scan the QR code. I invite you to come join us. Okay, come join us. This is all right, the last innings of the bull market, and it's now that you want to make sure that you're on top of the things. All right, everyone, hopefully you enjoyed what I have for you to say. Come on, Jomo, speak English. What I had to say for you today. Till next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers.